With Frankfurt's Prolight Sound show thoroughly underway now, we've already seen quite a few notable product launches. So let's go check some out.
We've just launched our new Q3 media server. The great thing about it is it's got 3 outputs, 1 DisplayPort for 4K output and 2 DVIs for HD. And all the EDID can be managed on the front screen so that none of the configuration touches Windows at all, leaving all your content running at the frame it was intended to, directly out of the media server.
You see in the background GrandMA 3 full size, which is completely new hardware. You have multi-shutters, you have new letterbox screens, you have RGB backlit faders, and all faders on all models are motorized. That's the new hardware, but you also have new piece of software for sure. New effects handling, new fixture handling, something like very small features that make work and life much easier and faster to operate with the console. Maybe something like phasers. Phasers are our new effects. So phasers give the possibility to add multiple effect steps in one preset or cue. Data pools is a new feature which gives you the possibility to have the show file within a show file. So think about festival situations with the main act and support act, and main and support act have their different data pools to operate with different presets, groups, sequences and pages.
The new Horizon line array system. It's a new unique concept which has a vertical and horizontal orientation, and the 406 box has 4 6.5-inch main woofers and a B&C compression driver. What's unique about this box is that all the hardware, and as you would normally see pins and other mounting weight, is actually built into the box itself, so there's no pins to lose, and it's an active system, so the amplification's built into the back. Over this side you have 2 boxes which look very, very similar, but one is a flyable 12-inch subwoofer. We have them mounted vertically, and you can do a 360 with enough units and the fly bars.